Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Those are watching in this video. I hope all are doing great. I am the grace of Almighty Allah and I am also fine and Alhamdulillah. Today I'd like to share about in this video. These topics are my favorite game is football. We know everybody, football is the most popular and famous game in the world. That's why my favorite game is football. And as well as I am playing football uh, and regularly practicing in football. Uh, that's a more attractive game in the football because any other games another games are cricket, badminton, volleyball, hadudu. That's why it's football is a more attractive game in the world. And when I was a little boy, that's are playing football. And uh, when this time is I'm the uh, reading class 6 or 7. That's are playing playing football. Currently, I'm regular practice and playing football, and my favorite football team is Argentina. They are most popular and good playing in the world. Uh, Currently, they are the world champion, and they are winners in the currently uh, 2022 World Cup mission champions. And my favorite footballer is Lionel Messi, and he is the most popular and good playing in the world. They are a team in the world champion, and my favorite player is Lionel Messi. He is the most popular and creative player in the world, and because her playing moment and playing quality, creativity and other sectors are very impressive. He is all sectors football are the best player in the world, and for playmaking, goal score and midfield and all other sectors are best footballer in the world. I am regularly practicing, and her playing moments are learning to me. As well as I am regularly her their football match watching in the football game. And another games are another football teams or games is not more attractive, but football is the most favorite game in the world, and it's me like football, cricket, badminton, but football is my emotion. Mm, because playing football are more attractive for me. Thank you all of you, and see you again the next video.